My son and I have been doing a lot of trail riding lately on our one wheels, so I want to be able to charge them while we're there at the trailhead and keep riding. I picked up this Ampeak 1200W inverter that I'm going to install in the back of my car. Let's get it unboxed and see if it can handle these two one-wheel chargers.
You'll have all the power you'll ever need using the Ampeak 1200W Pure Sine Wave Inverter. We're review to you. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. What's in the box? Out of the box, and we see the user manual on top for a change. We'll be keeping this close at hand as an install guide a little later. It's nice to see the Ampeak 1200W Pure Sine Wave Inverter comes already assembled and is a sealed unit. You may remember a few weeks ago we reviewed a power inverter that uses Dewalt Power Tool batteries to charge and run your devices. This week it's a little different, as this product is designed to be used in conjunction with a high-capacity 12-volt battery. As you can see, it's as easy as connecting the positive cable to both inverter and battery terminal. Likewise with the negative cable. Make sure you take care and don't swap these around, or you could find yourself testing out the safeguards on this inverter the hard way. But also, if you have a pickup truck, RV, caravan, or any other large vehicle, then this is the perfect inverter to use with your auxiliary battery system. A little more about the Ampeak 1200W Pure Sine Wave Inverter features. And without boring you too much, just know that there are no less than 17 inbuilt safety protections inside to make sure both yourself, your vehicle, and your appliances are safe and don't experience any damage during operation. Always a big plus. As you can tell by the name, the max output is 1200 watts of continuous power, with a ceiling of 2400 watts peak power. There's a handy little LED screen on the front to let you know how much you're drawing, which is pretty helpful. Included are wiring diagrams required to supply charge to your 12-volt battery by way of a solar panel, meaning you won't be relying on running your engine to recharge. So what can you expect to run on this bad boy? Refrigerators, freezers, fans, heaters, power tools, compressors, laptops, TVs. The sky's the limit, really. Well, not really, as 1200 watts is the limit. But it's a pretty beefy load and will accommodate a fair amount of creature comforts while you're away from home. There's a total of 3 standard 110-volt sockets, as well as a pair of 2.4 amp USB outputs. If mounting space is at a premium, overheating issues are overcome by way of a pair of heavy-duty fans, which cool the guts of the inverter and prevent cutoff from temperature overload. A nice feature. So, what do we like about the Ampeak 1200W Pure Sine Wave Inverter? Easy to use and install. Fairly robust output for its size. There's a lot to like here. Perfect for a work or recreational vehicle, or portable power out in the yard without needing to use 100 foot of extension cord. So, what don't we like? Though we didn't experience any issues, there are a few 1-star reviews on the Amazon listing. Now, it has to be said that with a product like this, there are bound to be a few that slip through the quality control cracks. So far, so good for us, though this does affect the rating a little. But enough from me, let's talk to Matt. Hey Matt, how many watts are those one wheels pulling?
Together, these are pulling about 600 watts, Gary. So plenty of power in that 1200-watt inverter to handle both these and a little room for something else. So inverter's working great. Install took some time to route that wire all the way to the front. If you saw in the install, I didn't use the 2-foot wire that it came with. That when I reached the battery in the front, so I had to purchase a separate 20-foot cable, and that's what we used to get to the front there. So it's powering these boards fine. I have to have the car started or it drains the battery really fast, but other than that, absolutely love it.
Thanks, Matt. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, what do we score the Ampeak 1200W Pure Sine Wave Inverter? Now, although we didn't have any issues, there were enough users with concerns that 2 of the 3 outlets are wired in reverse neutral. This could be something that Ampeak has corrected in new units, but we just needed to mention it's something to be aware of. For that reason, we're giving it a 6 out of 10. So, how do you get your hands on one of these? Well, we've got a couple options for you. You can follow our purchase link that we've included in the description below and up in the top right. Or you could enter the Review to You drawing and try to win ours for free. If you want to win one all for yourself, the rules are very simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment with the hashtag we showed you in today's video. We then use a highly sophisticated random selector to choose our winner. Winners will always be announced right here on the channel at the conclusion of every month in our Winners Compilation video. This has been Review to You, where the only thing we love more than amazing gadgets is giving them away for free to you. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and then hit that link on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. From Matt and Gary, see you next time.